Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to muffle audio on CapCut. Today we're diving into CapCut on mobile and showing on how to muffle. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device if you haven't already installed it. Once you're in CapCut, tap on New Project. Select the video or audio file you want to edit and tap Add. Now your project is open and ready to go. To muffle the audio, we first need to access the audio editing tools. Tap on the video or audio track you want to edit to reveal the options menu. In the options menu, select Edit. This will open the audio editing controls. Here, you'll see a range of audio options. To muffle the audio, you'll primarily be working with the volume and equalizer settings. Let's start with the volume. Slide the volume slider to lower the volume of the audio. You can adjust it to a level where the audio is less prominent but still audible. For muffling, you typically want it to be significantly lower than the original level. Next, tap on Equalizer. This tool allows you to fine-tune the audio frequencies. To muffle the sound, you'll want to reduce the higher frequencies. Look for the sliders or settings related to high or treble and decrease them. By lowering these frequencies, you'll make the audio sound more muffled or distant. Adjust these settings until you achieve the desired effect. After making your adjustments, play back your video to preview the changes. If you're happy with how it sounds, you're all set. To save your project, tap on the Export button in the top right corner of the screen and choose your desired resolution and format, then hit Export. Your edited video with muffled audio is now ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully muffled the audio in CapCut on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you again.